everyone, welcome back to my channel. We've got a lot of extensions in the hair today and I'm feeling really wonderful. This video is being shot right after I got my eye fillers. I'm gonna give you all like a detailed review very soon. It's because I have to go again because that was just the first sitting and now she has to like fill all of this up again. She just wanted to see how it looks and then she will fill it up a little more. So yahan pe aur filling is needed. All of that is gonna happen soon. I'm feeling good, like there's some difference, although this needs to go, you know, like this. It needs to be flat like this. I'm hoping that it happens because I can't wait to just like flatten it out. So in today's video, I actually have a bunch of things that I ordered from Amazon for no damn reason. If you start with Amazon, you will end up spending a lot of money. I was just looking for some skincare tools and I came across a bunch of random things. I'm not even kidding, like random AF things. Are people really even buying this? Like, do people even know of this? Like, what are these products? Like, why do I need them in my life? Why do they exist? That is what we're gonna find out in today's video. I have like, I think a lot of them. I spent a lot of money on Amazon. My heart aches right now. I mean, I'm just hoping at least some of them work, okay? So that mere paise ka worth mil jaye mujhe. And these are all like decently priced thingies, so I'm not really having a lot of expectations out of them, you know what I mean? But we're just hoping that they work somehow. If not, can I just return them? I might return them. Not sure if what's the return policy on these items, but if possible, I'm gonna like give it all back if I don't like them. But we're gonna find that out really soon. Right now, I just wanted to show you all my outfit. I'm wearing a denim. It's like a crop top. This is not a crop top, actually. It's this. I think this looks much better if I just like roll it up inside. And I just had my breakfast. I came from the gym. It's a Monday morning and I'm really pumped to like start my week. I'm having my collagen, which is a part of my breakfast every day. Just wanna keep my skin really healthy and like plump and bouncy. Anyway, I'm not gonna do any makeup on my face because I'm not allowed to like do makeup on my face for the next 2 days. So today's video is gonna be bare face like this. It feels like my face is under construction right now. It's under maintenance, okay? But anyway, it should get better soon. On that note, let's get started. Alright, so what's up? Welcome back to the setup. You guys, I have all of my Amazon finds here, like all of them. I have quite a few actually. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's see what we have here. Okay, these are gonna be some really weird things, giving you all a heads up. It's not normal stuff. Also, apart from just the skincare stuff, I also ordered a bunch of other things, which I'm not gonna show you all right now. I'm gonna make another video for that, okay? But anyway, let's get started! I'm so excited. This is gonna be fun. Okay. Damn, I've got so many boxes. Okay, so the first thing that I have here, which is not only weird but it's also funny. It's called Simple Slippers. It cleans, exfoliates and massages your feet, by the way. No more bending to clean your feet. Damn, you see the convenience we're talking about. Just you just put your feet in your slippers, your feet come out clean. It's like a car wash, like the car goes in dirty and then it comes out clean. Okay, so anyway, let me show you all the slippers. Is it just one slipper? Wait, what? I was expecting a pair of slippers. Who says one, dude? I said it's like you clean one and then you put it on the other feet. This is weird. Anyway, it's like jhadu. This is the slipper. Not funny. Nothing is funny. So basically you put your feet in there. Ouch, that's rough. I just got goosebumps. Okay, so how do I do this? So you do this. Wait, let me. Oh! Okay, so once you put it on the floor, it kind of automatically sticks to it and you can't lift it because it's got suction. And then you can just like rub your feet in there. This is genius. Oh shit, damn. So you see all the suction here? Basically, it just sticks to the floor and then you can just put your feet inside and just... Like, this is a pedicure for people who do not want to bend. Or yahan pe na, they also have that that thingy where you can just like whatever, get rid of your dead skin. I mean, it's a good thing. Let's start rating these things out of 5. I think this could be anywhere like a good 3. Anyway, moving on to the next item, which is not very weird, but it's just a lot of skincare tools which I don't even know if we really need, and they're like all over the internet and like everywhere. So yeah, we're just putting all of it to test. The next one that I have is a 5-in-1 beauty care massager, and this is how it looks like. Alright, this is the dabba. You get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different heads, and let me just read it out what it does. Thank you for purchasing it to clean the entire face and throat and other areas. Okay, it also works as a massager to massage your cream into your skin. So these are all like different things for different whatever. The quality doesn't look that great, just saying, FYI. So this is the product, this is the main machine, okay, and then you can change the handle, I think, like this. So you've got 2 settings, high or low, and that's it. It works! Okay, so it basically just kind of like massages your skin, and this is the foaming one. So if you want to cleanse your face using a cleanser, and if you just want to like, you know, go over your face, which I don't see the point, because I feel if you really overdo with the cleanser, it kind of dries your skin out, and I don't think like on a daily basis in your normal lifestyle you really need something like this which can just deep clean, unless you've been out in the mud or dirt, or like you've been, I don't know, like, you know, at some construction site or something like that, I don't know. But unless any of that has happened, if you've been in a lot of pollution or in a lot of dirt, apart from that, like in a normal day-to-day life, I don't think you need to use this, because this is just gonna like dry your skin out. Although the point not being skincare here, the point being the product. So yeah, this comes with a few different settings, right? I'm gonna show you all the settings. This is the thing for your feet. You know, it's got that stone. You know वो stone जिससे तुम करते हो पैर साफ, and then you also have this nice soft buffing thingy. I have no idea why you would use a buffing. It's a sponge. It's literally a sponge, and then another sponge. This is a softer sponge. I hope you guys can see what I'm showing you. This is a softer sponge, and then we also have this one. This I feel is for your cream. You know, this just kind of rotates for you to just like push the product into your skin, or the moisturizers or whatever creams that you're using, is what I believe. Although the quality is not that great, like I can sense the plastic is really bad. All of this is like within 500 rupees, okay, like whatever I have. I don't see the point of this product, honestly. I've seen a lot of these in Miniso, not the machine ones but the hand ones, and I even got it once last time, but I never used it because although I'm really like itching to change the head, and whoop, that was easy. Okay, let's see what this does. Oh, this I like. This is like massaging my face. This is fun. Although ये मुझे पता है ज़्यादा दिन टिकने नहीं वाला है because इसमें जान ही नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. But anyway, I'm gonna try the high intensity. If I have to rate this out of 5, probably 2, because I mean I wouldn't really use massager after I've put on a moisturizer. I can just use my hands. It's just a fancy face massager or fancy way to put in your moisturizer. I don't know. I mean, but yeah, I mean, I don't see a point of this product though. Anyway, moving on. I have something called as the multi-function beauty equipment. Okay, let me see what this does. This looks quite fancy and like very polished. I love the packaging. I love how sleek they've like maintained the packaging and like overall whatever. There is no brand mentioned, however. This is just a dabba. Like somebody just got it made and then they were like, lena hai to le lo, branding ke liye mere paas time nahi hai. It says your beauty, I'll make for you. So it's a multi-function beauty equipment. Simple. Okay, and inside, ta-da! There are no instructions. Literally nothing. If you see this dabba, please do not get it because this is nothing. This is just a showpiece. This does nothing. I'm confused. I put in the batteries. You're supposed to twist it on or off. And now I'm twisting it and still nothing is happening. Guys, this is not. I paid 500 rupees for this. It's not doing anything. My god, I just got scammed on the internet. Internet ने भी मुझे कॉल कर दिया. Internet ने भी मुझे धोखा दे दिया. Bro, but this is shit, okay? Don't get this. If you see this on Amazon, trust me, do not get it. It's shit. It doesn't do anything. There is no instruction manual. There is no branding to this. This is just this. I mean, if you're you know, freaky enough, you can still put it to use, but no thanks for me. So I would wanna rate -5. मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस चाहिए. That is it. Okay. Anyway, moving on to the next one. I have something called as Flebble. It's an ice roller. You use it on your face, neck and body, and it's a cold therapy designed to help to minimize pores, reduce puffiness, reduce muscle tension. I think Flebless is the brand name. It comes with an instruction manual, so I'm hoping it'll work. Okay, you're supposed to put the roller head in the freezer for, oh wow, that's big. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I love the color. The color is quite pretty. It goes in my background. And you're supposed to take the roller head out and you have to put it in the freezer for like 4 hours, or you can keep it overnight before you start using this. So I didn't do that. This is basically just ice pack for your face. It's just a convenient way to like rub ice on your body, or like, you know, whatever part that you want to just rub ice on. Not bad as a product. It's okay only. I mean, you can use it. Apart from that, I think घर पे रखने के लिए तो ठीक है. I don't know how much this was for. $6.99. I'm gonna send it all back. I'm gonna get my money back. Not returnable. No. मेरा पैसा बर्बाद हो गया है. That shit that didn't work. This one is for 379 rupees. Again, Starbucks coffee. I'm not trying to brag here. I've cut down on my Starbucks coffee because I feel like I'm spending a lot of money on Starbucks, but I just go there because I feel good. Okay, this one is for 299 and it says buy it again ? The audacity. Alright, so the next something that I have high hopes from this one. Okay, I have high hopes from this one. This is the Derma Suction. Suck the yuck out of your pores. I'm not kidding, it says that. Do you read that? Suck the yuck out of your pores. That's some good branding. It says with vacuum action. Removes blackheads and dirt from pores. No more squeezing. Cordless and portable. And it also comes with like 4 changeable settings, 4 different heads. Or knobs or whatever you want to call them. यहाँ पे the price is mentioned $9.99. I'm hoping and praying that I did not get this for $9.99. Please, please. Oh, I got this for $3.99. अभी तक कोई भी nothing that I have with me is something that I would say or recommend. And it comes with an instruction manual. तो मेरा भरोसा थोड़ा बढ़ गया है. You know, I'm kind of looking forward to this one because I do have some blackhead situation on my nose right now. Oh, you guys, so it sucks. Okay, I'm doing this on my nose, okay? Wish me luck. It stops working as soon as you place it on your nose or whatever. Okay, this is it. It's not doing anything as such. It's just a little bit of vacuum and that's it. I don't think it's cleaning my pores or anything. It's just gonna increase the size of your pores. I don't think it's gonna like do anything else apart from that. You know what I mean? Okay, this is probably like it's working to a certain extent. I'm not sure if it's like really good for you because it is sucking out a lot of things from my skin and I can see it because it's all accumulated here at the nozzle. You know, I mean, you shouldn't really use something which is that strong, which is literally like your pores, you know what I mean? I think it works. I'm confused. It's working. It's working. Okay, literally not able to stop using this product because number 1, it's fun. Number 2, it's just amazing to see all of that, whatever that is. I'm gonna give you all a closer look to what is happening, okay? Do you see all of that? Do you see this? This is all of the dirt that it pulled out from my skin. Do you see all of that white whatever is stuck here? Took out all of that from my skin and I like this product. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, one product that has like literally not disappointed me out of whatever I got. Okay, so I think I'm gonna rate this 4 out of 5 for sure. Like, it's a good product. It's a good product. I mean, although I think I'm gonna take that back. I'm gonna rate this product 3.5 because I don't know the quality and like, you know, how long this is gonna last or whatever. But for 399 rupees, it's not bad as such, like to use it like once in a while on the days where I can see like a lot of, you know, blackheads or something like that, which is just like not coming out even when I'm chemically exfoliating, or if I've like used a pore cleansing mask or something like that. After using all of those products also, if it's not happening, then I'm gonna use this. Otherwise, I'm not gonna use it on my skin. Anyway, moving on to the next product, I have something which says Energy Energy Beauty Bar. There's nothing else on the dabba. This is the packaging. And then when you open it, you have a pouch. And then you have a golden something. I've seen this all over Amazon, by the way. I was like really tempted. In fact, this was the thing that prompted me to like explore more of these skincare tools or whatever equipments. I was like, dude, what is this? This is fancy. This looks like copper teeth, but like, what are you supposed to do with it? Like, where do I put it in, or like, what do I do with this? Also, it does not come with any instruction manual. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? Bro, मैं क्या करूँ? इसका सर पे मारूँ? मतलब तू instruction manual तो दोगे? It just says Energy Beauty Bar. Now, it says 24 karat Energy Beauty Bar, by the way. And this one was for 349 rupees. It's electric facial roller waterproof face skincare anti-wrinkle massager. Let's see if we can. Okay, yes. So I'm supposed to put a battery. Ooh, they sent a battery also. They've put in a battery already, and it vibrates. It vibrates. Electric facial massager. That's it. It just vibrates. So more than the tip, this thing is vibrating a lot more, and my hands are like all bzzz right now. What is vibrating? Even this is not vibrating on my skin as much. So what is vibrating? Like when you hold it, it's like vibrating really hard. I don't know. I mean, 0 on 5. Sorry, you don't need it. Okay, moving on to the last product, which is this painless facial hair remover. I got this to test basically if it works or not. This is like the Braun facial hair remover, which is my favorite, by the way. I stick to that product. It's so amazing. It's painless, it's fuzz free and everything. So I think they've come up with like a dupe in the market. Oh, it comes with instruction manual. I'm at this point, I'm like so happy when they send an instruction manual along with them. बहुत मेहरबानी आपकी. This is the product and it looks quite similar to the Braun facial hair remover. It works. Okay, I was ready to bash this product, but it works. Wait. I'm gonna use it on my eyebrow as well because this is how I've been doing my brows. Do not do it. Do not try this at home. Another product that I'm not mad at. Okay, so out of whatever I got, at least 2 products are working. I mean, I'm not mad. Even if I'm gonna use this, is fine. Like, if my Braun one doesn't work for some reason, I always have a backup now. And in case if you haven't tried out the Braun one because it's expensive, let me just share the price of this one. This is for 449 rupees, which is not bad. If you're a teenager, if you want to get this like a facial hair remover, you could try it. I don't know how long this will last, but this is the only time that I've used this product, so I'm not sure of the quality and how long this is gonna take you, like be there with you. Wait, let me show you all the Braun one also. This is the Braun facial hair remover. This is how it looks like, and this is the painless facial hair remover. This is how it looks like. Okay, I mean, this one obviously, I mean, I would never say that go for this unless you're just trying to save money because you are running tight on budget or something like that. But the Braun quality is unbeaten. But this one I've never tried out before. I've never heard a brand called Painless before. This is a very random brand in the market, so take it at your own risk. I just wanted to test if it works or not because you're getting it off Amazon and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are buying it. I even saw this advertisement on Instagram for this, so I think if you were looking to buy this is not like, you could just like try it out if you want to just like try out how it feels to use this kind of a facial hair remover because it's exactly like Braun. So anyway, I mean, either or, whatever fits your budget. I am shook. I'll definitely give it like a 4.5 on a 5. So I guess with that, pretty much we have covered everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very random. I do have a lot of other random stuff coming your way from Amazon itself. I was just like so excited. I feel like Amazon has the most random things possible on the internet. So let me know which one out of whatever I tried was your favorite. Also, if there's anything else you want me to try out from Amazon or any other place, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. And that is it, you guys. I'll see you all very soon. Bye!